Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you my new book. Well, it's more like a pattern pack because it comes in an envelope. It's called Bullseye Quilts from Vintage to Modern, and this is my very first copy. So it comes in an envelope. You open it up and it's sealed and you have to get the little thing out, but you open it up and pull this out. And what is inside here is an instruction booklet. I should go front to back, right? An instruction booklet that shows you how to do everything that you need. It shows you everything you need to make these quilts. Now what's really fun about the Bullseye is that you can make either the big quilt that finishes 60 inches, or you can stop at any ring to make small blocks all the way up to big blocks. Now, these are circular blocks, right? I mean, the Bullseye itself is circular, and inside here, like I said, it tells you how to do the set in circles, and I'm going to do a separate video on that, but it tells you how to match and then sew all of those set in circles. It's really way easier than you think. And there's charts that tell you how much yardage you need for any of the different rings that you might sew. See, there's the big quilt. Okay, now the other part that's in here, there are pages, and each one of these pages has the foundation paper pieces. I didn't say that yet, did I? This is all done on foundation papers. Excuse me, foundation papers. I really recommend that you use vellum. You can buy it in packages of 30 sheets. It goes through both an inkjet and a laser printer. I think it's really easier to use than other foundation papers. And let me emphasize here, please follow the instructions in the book, because the yardage and all the cutting, they're precise. And if you go at this with a different foundation paper method, you might not enjoy it as much. So really, follow the instructions. If after you try it a little bit, you want to do it a different way, you go there. But try the instructions first. Okay, so back to this. So each ring has a different set of papers, right, all the way through. And then there are these two big sheets. And what's on the big sheets, I can't open them all, they're each of the different sizes of the corners you would need to make smaller blocks. So if you want to just make 12-inch blocks, you would need this corner. You'd need a template for this corner. And how to make the templates is also in the instructions. For a 20-inch square block, you would make that template. You'd use that shape for the corners. And so it goes all the way up to the corner template you would need to make the 60-inch finished quilt. So that's what's inside. The pattern is very attractively priced. I hope you enjoy making these. I find this pattern to be incredibly addictive, lots of fun to make, and it's much easier than you think it will be, because all you have to do is sew on the solid line, I promise. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you have many happy stitches.